close.
So this time I tried the rubber band method and I like it much better. It really cuts the time in half. So what I'm going to do now is take my braiding hair and kind of pull it out so that it's not all one length. I feel like it just braids better and you can kind of stretch it out when you do it that way. So now I'm just going to wrap the hair around the ponytail that I have and start braiding. Make sure you're holding it really tight so that the braid doesn't slide down. And as you continue to braid down, add the weave until your hair is the same length. Now your braid does not have to be neat because you are going to wrap the lock hair around that. So just continue braiding all the way down. And when you get to your preferred length, you're going to go ahead and take a lighter and burn the ends close. Be really careful with this not to actually burn your real hair. So what I like to do now is take that lock hair and add it to the braid as an anchor and begin wrapping tightly, making sure you are taking your finger and holding that hair so that it doesn't unravel, and just continue wrapping all the way down to the bottom of the braid. So sometimes it doesn't seem like it's going to be enough hair, but if you just take a wig brush and brush those knots out, it'll make the hair stretch more. Make sure everything stays in place. You're going to take that lighter and burn the ends. Take your fingers and tap on it to make sure it's hard. That way you know it's nice and sealed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.